offer me a place. So guys, me need some support now. Like
Ticknna, come to the front. This man in a beat and teach body cover. You know, you jump out at us as a top rough blogger. Well, me just start follow you last week. But then I would have seen your previous blogs. And you jump out and us say you're a rough top blogger. But you're not rough. You're a baby. When you go jump out like tough blogger, you have to have thick skin. Social media is not for the weak. And the way how you rough and tough and deal with people, you can't behave the way how you behave. Listen, the Bible says you don't have to walk calmly, because you will hear your neighbors a cuss you. You cannot walk and go on people live and listen to them a cuss you. Last night, them a say you depend how much other fake page I try to go in upon them and you not take the call because whatever. And you come out depend everybody live. I listen to what them a say and I read everybody comment and I cuss and I abuse people. You can't do that as a top blogger. You have to learn to hear and deaf and see and blind as a blogger. Because them a go jump out, them a go roast you. You have to learn to be like a Miss Kitty. You know what I'm saying? A Miss Kitty entire, and in university, we learn best practices. You have to learn. You can't win because people are going to come out with a whole heap of fabricated story against you. And if them not know you, I must fabricate them and fabricate the story. You think you can take on 3 million people who are come against you with what them don't know? You know, so throughout Miss Kitty career, me are the first somebody Miss Kitty ever come out con cuss. Miss Kitty no cuss people. And you would have seen what persons do to her over the years. Because me rough, And me are the first somebody Miss Kitty come out con cuss. Cassie, Bolt wife. You know, so we draw. The latest saga was the jacket saga. And Bolt said when he wanted to come out, come address the jacket saga, Cassie said to him, no, don't say anything. Let them speak. And one time Cassie ever come out, come answer something. And when them say, she did the our hotel. Bolt did carry her go to one big old fancy hotel with a million cheatings. And Cassie put out one picture to say, well, I am here. And that about 8 or 9 years ago. As long about that. When we had dog up Rihanna the other day, how Rihanna no come to Jamaica and make Miss Donna enough up herself. Rihanna busy a plan how she go break her pregnancy news. You have to learn how to hear people and not hear. You have to develop tough skin like duck and make water run off of your back. You can't just give attention to people. People will suck your energy. People don't know you. First ever see the quality when them do me and then think it not enough. A Chris then jump on. And then I know say that are the last thing they could ever do. Because Chris don't do social media. And when they done with Chris and when that not enough, and my children them then done. And then I know say my children them not do social media. You have to develop thick skin, man. You can't just go out and listen and go in pan people live and listen. People don't know you. Them they on live create them platform for make Nicki Minaj send them lion. That is all it is about, For Nicki Minaj give them gift. Them don't know you. And you know your partner, you know what you know. Them a go, you're not police, so no investigate what people are say. Make them stay with them fabricated story. As a top blogger, my girl, you have to learn how to develop thick skin. You can't just respond to everybody and make people break you. Love that, man. Love people, man. A social media member say you're a blogger, the same thing when you do to people, If me have debt, forbid it not. I think, you know? I don't know. What I know for? I don't need to know. Anything I don't know what me no want to know for do, You we own this in my chicken back. Somebody write and say, why me a top girl and me and have dog food? You will own this in my chicken back, me liver and me kidney. You will never see me oxtail. You will never see me turkey. And you will never see me chicken. No. You will own this in the bone. We not care.